The Lazy Parrot. Once, there was a king who owned a magnificent parrot. This parrot was not only beautiful but also incredibly active. It could talk, sing, and fly with grace. The king adored his parrot and showered it with endless care, providing the finest food and a golden perch. But over time, the parrot grew lazy. It stopped flying, refused to walk, and spent all day sitting idly on its perch. The king became worried. His once lively bird now did nothing but eat and sleep. Desperate, the king announced to his kingdom, "Whoever can make my parrot active again, able to walk and fly like before, will receive a great reward." Many tried. Musicians played drums and flutes to energize the bird. Trainers offered treats to coax it into movement. But nothing worked. The parrot remained lazy and unmoving. Then, a wise man arrived. Without a word, he walked to the tree where the parrot sat and cut the branch. Startled, the parrot flapped its wings wildly and soared into the sky. It flew with strength it hadn't shown in years. The king watched in amazement as his beloved bird rediscovered its freedom. Moral of the story: comfort can sometimes make us lazy. Without challenges, we forget our strength. Push yourself, or others, out of complacency, and you may rediscover what you're truly capable of.